But you thought, no, you're dry this year. You're dry. Moisture, honey. You're welcome. Thank you. I apologize for everything I just did to get me to this point right now, because this period, I didn't have to do this. Olay spray.
Man, oh my God, she Instagram famous, but she can't keep a job. Ooh. Man, oh my God, swipe a 30-inch weave on a sugar daddy car. Ooh. Man, oh my God, her doctor got her busting out her mom.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here, and I'm back for another video. Worldofzach who's finally back. Worldofzach who also needs to moisturize, and Worldofzach who needs to stay more consistent, honey, because this is not okay. But I'm back, you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying the holiday season and everything like that. Along with enjoying the holiday season, if you have been, then you might as well go to subscribe down below. If you haven't been enjoying the holiday season, then that's even more reason for you to subscribe, sis. Like, if you haven't been having a good holiday season, go and subscribe down below. Like, for real. Let's just have a moment. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And put your notification. Make sure the bell is on. I'm gonna have a picture right here so you know what to do. Like, just go ahead and do it, sis. Like, come on. Add me on Instagram while you at it. Talk to me. Connect with me. Let's chat. We can make this holiday season a lot better for one another. Not that I'm having a bad one. It's just a little kind of stressful. But you know what? It's nothing to be down about. And whatever you got going on, you guys, I hope that you feel like you're in a safe place here. You're in a safe, good place, community, a little Worldofzach environment here. We can talk to each other in the comment section down below. Y'all can talk to each other, have good convos and whatnot. And we're just here to like do some makeup and have a good time. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel, Worldofzach. If you're not new here, then welcome back again. I do these super long intros that really annoy me, but I keep doing them anyway, and I don't know how to stop them, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna try today. Should I say I'm gonna try today? Because it's probably already too long anyway, so I don't really know. So what we're pretty much here for today is I just want to show you guys my winter foundation routine, because I've been having to adjust a lot lately. I thought I was gonna have to I thought I was gonna be able to keep the same summer situation I was doing before, and my skin was like, but you thought, no, you're dry this year. You're dry. Moisture, honey. You're welcome. Thank you. So I've had to really like moisturize my skin this year and kind of change up my routine, which kind of shook me a little bit. But still, to be honest with you guys, my brows are already done, because at this point I feel like everybody know how to do brows, and I don't even know how to do brows that well. So I'm not gonna be on here like, you know, first you take the pencil and then get the spoolie side, and then you, because since I just kind of be finessing the fuck out of these, so I'm just I be finessing. So we're just gonna go ahead into the rest of the face. Brows today, you got me. So I've been using this Olay Energizing Ultima Hydration Essence. It has vitamin C and bergamot, vitamin C and bergamot. Somebody is in this spray, and it's pretty much a hydrating mist. Vitamin C brightens your skin up and everything like that, you know, and it helps to revitalize, refresh your skin, and leave it feeling energized. I just like to use it. It smells really good, and it tastes a little bit good, kind of chemically nice. And then I go in with, once I do that, I go in with my Olay Anti-Aging 7 Effects Eye Cream. And you want to start using ice, sis. I make sure I put this in the refrigerator too, so it's a little bit cold, so it'll cool down a little bit, so it'll be a little cold under my eye. And you want to take this finger right here, this finger. Wait, I'm moving the wrong finger. You want to take this finger right here when you're applying this product and blending it out, because it's the most gentle finger, and your under eye is very, very sensitive. This kind of helps like keep things nice, right, and tight, honey. But I don't just apply the product there, I apply it to my forehead, because I also get really bad forehead lines because I'm a male, so I naturally scrunch up my face more. So all the boys out there who wear makeup, I was just using this tip because I noticed my forehead lines have actually gone down like a good bit using this product. So yeah, definitely major key tea, honey. So y'all can already see with the under eye cream, it has a little bit of a glow type of situation there in my under eyes, and like where I applied it has like a little glow effect to it, and it looks really, really good. My skin looks hydrated and really nice and pretty and succulent, honey. Just really nice and succulent. I love it. Now I'm gonna take the Neutrogena Hydraboost City Shield Water Cream with water gel with sunscreen in it, and it has broad spectrum SPF 25. And since you are gonna be going out in the daytime, just because it's a little gloomy outside, because it looks a little shady and rainy and just you know what I'm saying, outside, you still want to make sure your skin is hydrated, and also you got that sunscreen situation there, and you are protected and moisturized, honey. Yes, so good. So now that we moisturized and got our face all nice and wet and just plump and lush and everything, you know what I'm saying? And also, just so you guys know, I do have kind of like combination of oily skin or whatever, but like I said, my skin has been very, very dry, especially on my nose. I've had like a little crusty crustalies around here in this area, but I kind of treat my skin just like as this combination, so I use a mix of like all types of products, I guess you could say. Today I'm feeling really moisturized. Normally I would go in with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, which I think is so good, and then go on top with the Angel Veil primer, but today I'm just going to use the NYX Angel Veil primer to prime my face. Like you've seen the past couple of videos by me, then you already know that I do really like this primer. It's very good. It pretty much just makes your skin look Photoshopped. It doesn't really do anything as far as like hydration or mattifying too much. It just kind of makes your skin look flawless. So that's why I like it. I feel like it kind of maybe like does pore filling and such, and just, bitch, you just look really good when you wear this primer, period. Now that we have our veil on, our angel veil, we can go into the next step. So normally I would go to the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep or Medium and put that all over my face and everything like that to just protect it from oil and just keep everything looking great and lasting a long time. But like I said, I've been a little dry lately, so we're not gonna do that step. I'm just gonna take my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. It's in this container right here. This is my holy grail. Just makes the skin look so flawless once again, because it's the thing. You wanna look flawless, but you wanna look cute. If you got a holiday party, you're just going out for coffee, tea and crumpets, biscuits, fish, whatever the case may be. If you're just stepping out the house, you want to look good. I feel like you can do these simple steps right here that I just did and go out the house and you look pretty good. Maybe just not the powder, because you don't want to make your face look more dry. But I do this step and I kind of just brush this powder in with my big fluffy brush before going in my foundation. And it really does help the makeup last longer and give that Photoshop, that photo finish, that HD look that you just look like a supermodel. You just look really good, okay? That's it. So we've moisturized, we've primed, we've powdered. So what's next? Comment down below if you know what's next. Y'all better know what's next, because what else is there to be? Foundation, hello. You already know the NARS Natural Rated Foundation is my jam, bam, wham, holy bam. Damn, honey. But she's running really low, so I want to save her. So now I'm just going to go with my holy... legit, for real. My Holy Grail foundation, the Hourglass. I think it's the Veil foundation. I don't know, really, the Vanish foundation. I think a Vanish Stick foundation. This is pretty much just the Hourglass Stick foundation, sis. And I'm in the shade Chestnut. Yes, the Vanish foundation. And it comes out like this. It's super luxe. It's really nice. It covers beautifully. Let me stop talking. Y'all gonna see what she do. Period. Now just blending that foundation out with my Morphe White 6 brush, which is my favorite brush to blend out foundation. And as you can see, like, you want to use a brush with this foundation, any stick foundation for that matter, because it just blends out quicker and easier. This color is just so beautiful. It's way more red and warm tone on me, but it also kind of plays well with my yellow tones as well. So I really do like it. It's just kind of like my perfect color match. It looks like skin. It blends so good. It looks beautiful. I love it. It wears for a long time. It wears perfectly with an Angel Veil primer, because I think the next Angel Veil primer is like a dupe of the Hourglass Mineral Veil primer or something like that, but it's a whole lot more expensive. Honey, that primer is so expensive. It's like the price of a foundation, a really good foundation. So yeah. You know, just looking real flawless. Like, what you doing? You gonna call me or what? You already slid in my DMs, I already know it. I know, thank you. No, it's not foundation. See, stop. Bye, boy. Bye. He's so stupid. He's so dumb. It was so annoying. He think he's cute. Ooh, I thought I looked cute. I mean, you know what? I'm strong and I'm independent and I look beautiful. Powder and all. It's a necessary step. So this is just all a part of the process, you guys. So I took my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. You know, I already know it comes in the packaging like this. It's a really good powder. It looks beautiful. I don't wear concealer. Y'all probably already know that. I kind of just don't like all that beat downness just for any occasion, really. So I didn't put on any concealer, like I just don't. And this does a brightening effect for me, in my opinion. It works in pictures and such like that, especially when you bronze and contour and stuff. So just me personally, like, seriously, if you wear full coverage foundation, put it under your eyes. I feel like you're good. You just add the brightening powder and you're set. In my mind, it works. Maybe not. Maybe I'll change 2019. Let me know down below if I should change that. Do you see the end result? But yeah, that's what I do. So now, like I normally do, I'm going to go ahead and bronze and contour my face really quick, and I go in with the shade Played Out from the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop Procession palette. This brown shade right here, it's like a neutral brownish, kind of warm brown, and then I take this shade right here, this reddish shade, and it was shade Revenge, but now it's in this other. Just take them shades, and I go ahead and do what I. Just watch me, okay? That is my face nice and pretty sculpted and whatnot, you know, kind of brought some chiselness, some little health back into the face. Not gonna bring the health in, but you know, we just have to sculpt that out, cut my face up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette and take these two shades right. Y'all gonna see it on the screen. I'm taking the top two shades and I'm gonna blush up with those two. I really like how warm, pigmented, and pretty these blushes are, since I don't really have a blush that I just go to. I love using the eyeshadows from the palettes I have around me. You're just kind of making a good use of whatever you have around you, honestly. And that way you don't have to grab as much, and then you do that, you don't have to pack as much when you go on trips and everything. Like I said, this gives so much like warmth and just beauty. It just looks so good. Take this on my nose as well, you know, just kind of warm up everything around your face. Make like you've been outside real cold and whatnot, you know, you need to be cuddled up on. Like you do this and your man be like, oh babe, are you cold? Like, come on, let's cuddle or whatever. He probably won't because he a fuck ass dude. I'm playing. But I'm saying all this like I got a babe to go to who gonna be like, ooh babe, let's cuddle, when really it's just gonna be me and my dog on the couch watching probably Supernatural or something like that. But yeah, I blushed up enough, so this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. And then I go in with the same brush, the blush brush. I don't know why I put it down, but I go in and take the same brush and I grab the shimmer shade at the bottom. You're gonna see it on the screen. And I love the way this looks because it pulls a little bit of orange. And I put some of that like right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that little healthy glow? You know, come on, melanin, coming through, period. And for the highlighter, my go-to highlighter, which y'all probably already know this, it's the Dose of Colors DESI KATY Chasing the Sun highlighter. I really like this. It's so pretty. Go in, just bring this up, and I also bring it up right here to like the outer corner of my eye, kind of connecting it to like the tail of my brow. Doing one of these motions right here, you can probably see it better right here. So you guys, I love this highlighter so much. It's so beautiful. It blends right into the skin so nicely. And I just take this product and I bring it right here to like the little outer V area of my eye. I didn't have to go so hard like that. I didn't have to do that. I apologize to y'all. I apologize for everything I just did to get me to this point right now, because this, period, I didn't have to do this. Olay spray, was it you? Come on, just get in. Look, I just want to vogue. I want to pose. Just be abstract, you know? Just do some, y'all know I love a good hand moment. Come on. This is how you walk around during the winter. Like you just got the boat from Puerto Rico. I was trying to say Puerto Vallarta and then Puerto Rico. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face. This is an old Mario Badescu spray, but I actually just put water in here. So I spray my face with just water, because all I want to do is pretty much just melt those powders and everything like that into my skin and just make everything look more light skin, even though it already does. Like, that's a tea, sis. And for lips, I'm gonna keep it really simple. Just use my Carmex Natural Lip Balm. Yeah, it's the Comfort Care Natural Colloidal. I can't pronounce words for nothing. The Natural Colloidal Oatmeal Lip Balm. It smells and tastes so good. And then I'm gonna be taking the Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss, the clear gloss. This is one of my favorite, like my new favorite glosses. It's so moisturizing, so comfortable, smells so good, and it's so affordable and so cheap. I love the applicator and everything. Obviously, you can see it's got stained a little bit, but it's still so good. Can I get a close-up on the lips, please? So I might have went overboard a little bit on the lip gloss, but it's okay. Y'all still love me and we still here. Okay, cute. Now I'm going to take my NARS Natural Radiant, my NARS Climax Mascara. Apply a little bit of mascara, maybe some lashes, and then we're going to be finished. I'm going to come back and wrap up with you guys. If y'all are seeing this up close, then you're probably seeing how bomb this mascara is. But like I said, I'll be right back and then we can chat. So this is the finished look. This is my winter foundation routine. This is how I stay glowy, fresh face. No, obviously not fresh face. But this is how I stay glowy, really good looking skin and everything like that. You know, you like got highlighter going on. You looking Photoshop, looking real smooth. Your skin is hydrated. It's nice. You use the water to set your face. Because I don't want to try to, play off anything, try to add oils or try to make it super matte. I just use water so that the powder seep into the skin. Everything I put on my face so it does what it does. Nothing gets tampered with, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to play any games. I'm not no chemist. I'm not Bretman of science, bitch. I'm not building out a science guy. I'm not none of those. Period. I'm just Worldofzach. So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I hope you guys took something from it. Please, guys, it's the holiday season. Spread love, spread joy, spread kindness and love and all those things. Do something good for somebody else. Spread love, positivity, good vibes, all those type of things. If you're feeling alone, please come talk to me. Instagram at Worldofzach or comment down below. Say something to somebody. If you see something going on, please reach out to people. This is suicide season. It's a very, very high risk time of the year. I just want to slide that in really quick, you guys. I had to, just kind of had to. If you take anything from this video, please take that from this video. Like I said, and I say always, I love you guys so much. If you want to see more of me, go ahead and make sure you subscribe down below. Like I said before, I'm just repeating myself at this point. I love you guys so much, and hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I really do, because I feel really pretty. I feel really cute. These lashes and everything like that will be linked down below, because I got them on Amazon, and I have an Amazon like affiliate type of thing situation. Ooh, the bag is out. The cat's out of the bag, bitch. Bye, guys. See you guys in this upload.